Mazda is back with a stunning redesign for the 2026 CX-30. With a bolder look, a high-tech interior, and even better performance, this small SUV is ready to dominate the streets. Stick around because we've got all the details you need to know. Exterior. A sleeker, more aggressive look, Kodo design, evolution. The 2026 CX-30 embraces Mazda's signature Kodo philosophy with smoother lines and a sportier stance. Bolder front end, smaller LED headlights and a wider grille give it a more aggressive presence. Aerodynamic upgrades. Redesigned bodywork improves airflow, boosting speed and fuel efficiency. Modern rear styling. New bumper and taillights create a sharper, more cohesive look. Interior. Luxury meets high-tech driver-focused cockpit. Premium materials and a minimalist dash design put you in control. Digital dashboard. Expect crisp digital dials for a futuristic vibe. Upgraded infotainment. A larger, possibly curved touchscreen makes navigation smoother than ever. Advanced safety tech. Features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist will likely come standard. Performance. More power, better efficiency, responsive handling. Mazda's signature driving dynamics remain, but with refinements for even better control. Hybrid option. Rumors suggest a hybrid or mild hybrid powertrain could debut for better fuel economy. Quicker acceleration. Tuned for a more dynamic drive without sacrificing efficiency. Final verdict. The 2026 Mazda CX-30 is shaping up to be a major upgrade. Sleeker styling, a tech-packed interior, and enhanced performance. If you're in the market for a small SUV that doesn't compromise on luxury or driving fun, this one should be on your radar. What do you think of the new CX-30? Drop a comment below. See you in the next video.